Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Felicia. If you're new here, welcome. Well, in today's video, I'm so excited to bring to you my fall tablescape for 2021. And guess what? I am taking you all along with me. So without further ado, let's jump into this video.
So casually keep diving into concrete. So bittersweet.
So here I'm just showing you all the items that I have pulled to create this fall tablescape. As you can see, I have a variety of items. I have my glassware. I have my coasters. Now these salad plates right here were my theme for my color palette this year. I have some white plates. And these little pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree. Aren't they adorable? I have a wreath. I also have this gold charger in the back. And this is the table runner that I am going to be using on my table. I purchased that from Big Lots this year. So that was a new purchase. Now the other items back there in the background, they're just my little makeshift studio. And so the wreath, I'm going to show you how I'm going to add that to my tablescape as well. So let's get started. Now this is the table that I am going to be decorating. I'm just giving you a close look. I've already cleaned it and polished. Now look at that shine. I've also went ahead and added that table runner. So now I'm just going to start layering this table, starting with the gold charger. Then I'm going to add a very traditional creamy white plate. And also I am doing a 4-place setting versus a 6. I typically do a 6-place setting, but this time I'm doing a 4-place setting. So I'm going to continue to not label. I am going to continue to add layers to this table. So now I'm just showing you my glassware. So I have my wine glass, and this little short glass right here is the water glass that I'm going to be using, which also came from the Dollar Tree. As a matter of fact, both of my glasses came from the Dollar Tree. So next I am adding this cute little pumpkin that I'm going to place on each setting. And I think they are adorable. I mean, if you had guests that came over, you could put some candy in there, or you could put maybe some ice cream on the inside. Just a little treat for your guests. So here I am showing you that I am going to be using napkins, and I was showing you the lace on the tips of that napkin. So now I'm showing you the flatware. I have decided to use gold flatware. And so I am going to continue this process of layering. I'm just giving you a different view of the table. So now I'm at a point, I'm just going to give you a closer look so you can see my progress, because I know off a distance you're not seeing it very well. So I always like to bring you up so you can see what's going on. And so here I'm just showing you that I am missing a centerpiece. And so I am going to place that in a few moments coming up. And so this is my centerpiece. Now I created this centerpiece myself. It is a huge dough bowl. It actually looks like a canoe. It's so big. And I just filled it from end to end with layers of garland. I added pine cones. I added the champagne pumpkins. And so here I'm just showing you my coaster. I decided to go ahead and add a coaster, and I just removed the glass so you can see a full view of the coaster on the table. And so now I am showing you these medallions that says thankful that I got from Hobby Lobby, and I just decided to add that to the wreath because I didn't show you those medallions at the beginning in the items that I pulled. I think that looks cute. And I added this wreath, the bow, and the plaque to all 4 settings.
Let's fly away, just you and me. I need a little break from the city. It's been so long since we've been gone. I wanna feel that summer feel, but I don't wanna go if you ain't with me. Let's make a home, be all alone. So tell me, baby, where would you like to go? Maybe we'll drive from coast to coast, only to where we love the most. I'm taking you to paradise, paradise. You know where we're going tonight, going tonight. Paradise, paradise. I'm taking you.
Okay, you guys, we have come to the end of my video for today, and I hope that you enjoyed watching me put this fall tablescape all together. I hope that it brings you joy and just get your creativity stirred up and giving you ideas for your own home decorating. So I want to thank all my returning subscribers. You already know you are fabulous. And I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. Welcome to the family, you guys. So happy to have you here. So until the next video, happy decorating. Bye-bye.